UMich students, I'm here outside the Michigan League with UM Chief Health Officer, Dr. Preeti Milani. Good to see you again.
It's great to see you.
So this weekend we got a big day. We're back in the big house for a football game. What is the campus climate looking like, and what can we expect as this first week of school progresses with COVID-19?
Well, when you look all around us, Cam, you see students everywhere, and it's great to see. There's so much energy and excitement, and I remain really optimistic in terms of what the semester is going to look like. But as you know, the pandemic is not over.
Yep.
And especially with the emergence of the Delta variant, it means we have to be really thoughtful about how we protect our whole community. And we are going to see cases. We have been seeing cases the entire pandemic, and we'll be keeping a very close eye on what happens with cases in the coming days and weeks.
So you mentioned the pandemic continues to evolve. Now we're dealing with the Delta variant, which is our main focus. What can students expect, especially because most of us are fully vaccinated, and we've heard about these breakthrough cases before?
The vaccines continue to protect really well against severe infection, severe symptoms, especially hospitalization and death. But there are breakthrough cases, and what I want people to do is not so much focus on infection, but think about illness. And remember that the vaccines protect really well against illness. And one of the things we have going for us in this community is that we are so highly vaccinated that we should be able to contain large outbreaks and keep everyone as safe as possible.
Yeah, so I'm an RA on campus, and one of my communities is the dorms. So
That's right.
I know that about 99% of students living in the dorms are vaccinated. How can those students continue to be safe living in the community with other students as well?
Well, you know, the way we stay safe is with layers. And vaccination, we already mentioned, is one of the most important things in terms of staying safe. The other thing is wearing masks. And university buildings do require indoor masking. And this is especially important in classrooms and in labs and places where there's a large group of people and we need to keep everyone as safe as possible. The other thing, and we talked about this a lot last year, is keeping distance. And if you are unvaccinated, it is really essential that you not only wear a mask, but that you maintain distance as well. And, you know, if you're outside and it's really crowded, put on a mask.
Yeah.
You know, even if it's not required, that's one more thing that you can do.
Yeah.
And then the most important thing that I want to remind everyone is that if you are sick, if you have any symptoms, stay home. Take yourself out of circulation, put a mask on, and make arrangements at the University Health Service to get tested as soon as possible.
So as you just mentioned, you know, masks are not required outside. If you're headed to the big house this weekend, feel free to wear your mask if you're a little uncomfortable. Whenever you're indoors on student campus, masks are still required, so make sure you guys carry your masks around. Dr. Milani, thanks for joining me again today. Thanks for the wonderful advice. I'm sure this won't be the last time we get to hang out this year, so I'll see you next time.
Absolutely. I'll see you soon.
All right, go Blue.